Geography, Class 7, Chapter 1, Environment, Part 2. Ecosystem. Biosphere is an example of an ecosystem. It is necessary to understand different aspects of ecosystem. It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Types of ecosystem. Natural ecosystem. A natural ecosystem is a community of living and non-living organisms where each components interact together as a unit through biological, physical and chemical process. Artificial ecosystem. An artificial ecosystem is a human-made system of plants, animals and people living in area together with their surrounding. Food chain. Food chain. Every living things need energy in order to survive. Animals get energy from the food they eat, and all living things get energy from food. Plants use sunlight, water and nutrients to get energy in process of photosynthesis. Energy is necessary for living beings to survive. A food chain shows how each living things get food and energy are passed from one creatures to another creatures. Food chain begins with plants and ends with decomposers. Compounds of ecosystem. A biological community can be divided into producers, consumers and decomposers on the basis of flow of energy in ecosystem. Producer. Producers are those living organisms of the ecosystem. Those are capable to produce their own food. For example, plants, grasses, trees, etc. Consumers. Consumers are heterotrophs of the ecosystem which feed on other living organisms. For example, insects, fish, lizards, etc. They are divided into three categories. Primary consumers, they feed directly on plants. Secondary consumers feed on primary consumers. And tertiary consumers feed on secondary consumers. Decomposers. Some microorganisms feed on dead and decaying organic matters and decompose them into simple compounds. These compounds are again utilized by producers. Barter system. At present, we use currency to buy goods, things, and all our required material. But before invention of currencies, coins, and paper notes, people used to exchange goods to get goods. That is barter system. It is a system of exchange where participants in a transaction directly exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using a medium of exchange such as money.